So if you're injured in an automobile accident, what do you do?
Wow. Well, of course, the very first thing you should probably do is get treatment. Hopefully 911's on the way, paramedics, whatnot, depending on the severity of the accident. But certainly, be careful to protect the evidence as best you can. I'd recommend very early on calling a lawyer, such as a lawyer at Crutchfield Wilson & Morgan. We'd like to be able to take pictures of the car, of the accident scene of itself, and pictures of the person who's been hurt, bruising, contusions, whatnot. So I would get a lawyer involved from the word go. Also, it's important to let us be involved with your case before you start talking to the other side. And what I mean by the other side is, of course, an insurance adjuster. Their goal is, of course, to protect the checkbook of the insurance company, not to necessarily pay you what you believe to be the value of your accident. So I would be very quick to get a lawyer involved, a lawyer that's very competent in the area of personal injury. This is a no-fault state. It doesn't mean that it doesn't matter who caused the accident. Being a no-fault state means your first $10,000 of recovery of at least medical bills or lost wages comes from your own personal injury protection. What's relevant, though, is to quickly collect the data regarding the declarations page of the person that caused the accident, what we call a bodily injury liability coverage. That's where you're going to get your first source of real recovery in times where you've been injured in an accident. Then hopefully also, it seems to be one of the more important forms of coverage you can have in the state of Florida, is if you have your own UM, which stands for uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage. So frankly, I would suggest meeting with a lawyer at Crutchfield Wilson & Morgan just as soon as you're physically able to. I mean, obviously, treat first. Obviously, call loved ones if it's serious. Obviously, do what you have to do because you're in crisis mode. But just as soon as the dust is settled, it doesn't matter to me whether I'm being asked to come out to a local hospital or to somebody's house as opposed to them being ambulatory and able to come to my office. I would rather be involved early on in the case just to be able to protect and preserve all of the evidence.